One of the exciting things about the Kidney Precision Medicine Project is that it's focusing on the big problems, the diseases that cause the most people to develop kidney failure. We're focusing on people with diabetes, with hypertension, and people who develop acute kidney injury.
Because kidney disease is such a devastating disease, it's a catastrophic illness in many patients, both acute kidney disease and chronic kidney disease, that can lead to ultimately to kidney failure, requiring kidney transplant or dialysis in order to survive. These patients are terribly sick. It takes a huge toll on them, on their lives, as well as the lives of their family.
We haven't had a new drug registration in the kidney disease space for over 15 years. So we had to do something differently to address the problem in a new and bold way.
Originally, most of the work that was done around kidney disease happened 56 years ago. They came up with dialysis, and that was sort of the treatment, and it was good enough.
So it's no wonder that when we treat everybody the same way, the outcomes aren't good, because we aren't targeting what's really wrong with the patient. We're really just treating something that's a consequence of much more complex processes.
We'll accomplish the goals of the Kidney Precision Medicine Project by engaging with patients as participants who altruistically undergo a kidney biopsy to further our knowledge of how the kidney works in disease.
So the more biopsies we have, the more research that can be done on those biopsies so that we can determine what's the best way to treat them.
So for researchers and people who are in that area who can read and analyze the different shapes at the molecular level, they'll be able to make much clearer, much more precise decisions because they'll have better tools to work with.
Well, we're at the cusp of something, I think, amazing and wonderful. I think we stand at a moment, I think, here in science with the ability to actually diagnose, treat, and hopefully prevent kidney disease in the future.
So I think we're going to have some immediate knowledge that we're going to learn, but the hope is, perhaps 10, 20 years later when we are actually going to be able to find medications or therapies to slow progression of kidney disease. I think that is when we're going to see the real impact of what we've learned.
For my whole professional life, I've been taking care of patients with varying stages and types of kidney disease. And I'm hopeful that at the end of the day, this project will completely change the way that we care for our patients. That means that we'll have better preventative therapies, and I'm hoping someday we'll have cures for these types of kidney disease.
And the eventual goal is to really get rid of kidney disease because it's becoming such a global health problem which is rapidly accelerating everywhere. And if we can address this, that will be such a fantastic boon for all of us and for society.